Hello and welcome to lecture number 29 from the series Learn Graphic Design, Learn Adobe Illustrator. And in the last lecture, I told you about this place feature in Adobe Illustrator. And the next thing I'm going to tell you in this one is in edit option. You can check spellings. If you wrote something over here, you can edit dictionary, edit colors over here. All the other things are already described, so I will move to the next thing is object. So in object you can see different options over here. The slice is already defined, so the path is a good one. You can add anchor points, remove anchor points, and divide objects below. So these are the two main things that should be described over here. So if I make one polygon over here, I can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 anchor points. If I want one more anchor point just in the middle of these anchor points, what I'll do, I can just click the pen tool, add anchor point, and delete or add some anchor points over here. But it's not sure that these anchor points are exactly in the middle, and I'll have to do it manually. So what's the shortcut? You just go to object, go to path, and add anchor point. So you see you just got anchor points just in the middle of these 2 points, these 2 points, and these 2 points. As you just click again on it, so you got more anchor points. So if you want to decrease anchor points, just remove anchor points, and all the anchor points are gone. I can just select these and then go to path and remove anchor points. So these anchor points are gone. So this is one thing I had to tell. And one more thing about this is the expand tool, or why it is used and where it is used. So if you have one shape over here and you turn this into an outline like this, increase the size. Now if you apply different options to it from the Pathfinder or any other options, you will not get the best results. So what is needed actually is you just turn this outline into shape, but keep it this way it is. So what you can do, you can just go to object and expand this layer. So now this is not in stroke, not in outline, this is converted to shape and got few more anchor points to it. Another thing to just tell you about from this object menu is, if you rotate this like, and you got this boundary box square, and if you want it to be straight like this, what you can do, you can just go to object, transform, and reset bounding box. So you got a square over here to rescale down or rescale up. This is from object, transform, and reset bounding box. All of these options are already described, but you can get these from right click, transform, move, rotate, reflect, scale, and share from the right click in transform. From the object, if I select this one from the object, I can just lock this one, Ctrl+2, or hide this one, Ctrl+3. And what does rasterize means? You will just change this to an image. If you rasterize this and press OK, this is turned into an image. As you can see, the image options over here, and then you can just export it or anything you want. From this object panel, we get into shape and then convert to shape, and we got one thing like pattern. So I will make another video about pattern in this from lecture number 30. So I think this is enough for now. We hope to get you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.